Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video guys. My bad guys, my voice is going out. I'm getting sick. So guys, for this video guys, I am putting some Christmas lights on the new build guys, like how I did it to my other truck. So right now this is how it is. Truck has nothing and it's barely 156 right now. So let's see how long does it take. Do it. So this is the before guys. So right now I'm gonna show you guys once I start on working on it. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys like it. Stay tuned for this video guys.
Que le gusta portarse mal y una morena que no se sabe comportar, clase labial, ay, de la fly, prende un gallo, como pez en el agua andamos todos bajo el radar.
Alright guys, so I am done, officially done. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys the truck. Hopefully you guys like it. Right now I'm connected to the house wall. I'm going to AutoZone, go get connected. I already had one, but I give it to one of my boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the truck. Damn, it doesn't no se ve like that, but at night it's like fucking badass guys. I have to cut it because of the music real quick. Alright guys, so that being said guys, I'm gonna do some rolls right now, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so the truck is ready right now. It's the next day. It was Thanksgiving. I wasn't able to do stuff because it was Thanksgiving. I was with the family, and yeah guys, so right now I'm gonna go to AutoZone. Hopefully have the serial connection to connect the lights. So right now I'm on the way. Hopefully they do have it so we can start up the lights. So fuga guys.
What?
Alright, so we already got it. We came to my AutoZone right here. It was pretty pricey. It was freaking $40. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out the thing. Hopefully it works. You think it's gonna work or no?
Más o menos.
Más o menos, you see? Más o menos. Alright, I'll record right now guys.
About a time.
You still recording? Imagine my cigarette thing don't work for me. It does. guys, so every single time about this time, Christmas, this house always comes out hard. Look, guys, I'm sure you guys seen it in the other video I did with my truck. So right now I'm gonna freaking take a picture next to it. Check it out, guys. The top like the roof. The roof. Of the house. The house. Oh yeah. Then you can turn it off. Alright guys, so we came to Walmart. My little cousin, he wants a freaking a little. What kind of guns are these, Steven?
Paintball.
What?
Paintball.
Paintball guns. But fuck, dude, those should say hard, fool. You'll hurt someone. I would get it for him, but nah, he's gonna hurt someone.
They're a lot.
So yeah, I bet you could get a little car, a little carrito. You know? Alright guys, so we just came out the store. You know, brothers. My brother came out with the fucking pillow. And the fuck came out, let me see. See what you get? You see the thing? Astro Galaxy Light. Alright guys, so that will be the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below, guys, if you think it came out good. And guys, make sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Peace.